I'm Erik Patterson, Vice President of North America. I'm here to talk to you about a recent partnership that 4Life announced to help you do virtual meetings and stay connected to your teams. I'm speaking of Working Live. This new partner offers a variety of tools to help you stay in communication with your teams while providing them training and meetings that will help them along their 4Life journey. This program includes a variety of helpful tools, including the popular Zoom video conferencing and Calendly appointment scheduling app, among other great features, at a great value. Let's look at the features available with your Working Live subscription. First, Working Live offers you the widely used, reliable, and private Zoom video conferencing, which is currently available in 8 languages. The Working Live subscription increases the number of participants in a meeting or webinar up to 500 people, as opposed to the standard 100, and without any time limits. As you know, standard accounts are limited to only 40 minutes. Additionally, your subscription offers you the ability to reach even more people by allowing you the option to broadcast your meeting or webinar using the popular Facebook Live feature on social media. Additional benefits of your Working Live subscription include the ability to get audio transcripts of your meetings or webinars, closed captioning, breakout rooms, and unlimited cloud storage for your recordings. Breakout rooms allow you to take the participants in your meeting or webinar and divide them into smaller groups for better interaction and discussion of important topics. As you can see, you get a great value with many new features. Let's discuss one more feature, Calendly. You will also be able to schedule your meetings and webinars using the popular appointment and scheduling Calendly app. Calendly allows you to integrate your digital calendars, such as Google, Outlook, among others, with Zoom's calendaring features. With Calendly appointment and scheduling app, you simply set your schedule, add your Zoom meeting ID, share your Calendly link, team members select from available training times, and the meeting is added to the participant's calendar. This allows for a seamless calendaring of your Zoom meetings and webinars. All these features are available at no extra cost as part of your Working Live subscription. Let's see how to get started with your Working Live subscription. First, go to 4life.workinglive.us and select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Next, select a monthly or annual subscription plan and set up your payments. You'll then receive an email from Working Live that you can use to activate your account. Now let's look at each of these steps individually. When creating your Working Live account, and you previously had a Zoom account, be sure to use the same email address so that the account transfers and you will be able to keep the same Zoom meeting ID with Working Live. Use the same email address for your Calendly account and other Working Live tools. Next, check your email to find the email from noreply@zoom.us to activate and integrate your account to Working Live. Once you receive the email from Zoom asking you to confirm your request, simply click on the Approve the Request button to activate Working Live. This takes you to the Working Live account page where you will click Next, Check Billing Information. If you are transferring your existing Zoom account to Working Live, you may have an account balance. Working Live will refund you any current account balance you paid when you click Refund to Me. Then click Finish. Confirm your account says Pro and features Large 500, Webinar 500 to ensure you have upgraded your existing Zoom account to the Working Live subscription. Here are a few things that could prevent you from activating your Working Live subscription if you already have a Zoom account. 1. More than one person on your Zoom account. Working Live allows only one person on your account. 2. Existing Zoom rooms on the Zoom account must be deleted prior to activating Working Live. And 3. An unpaid balance with that Zoom account. If any of these is preventing you from activating your Working Live account, please take the necessary steps to correct them. Once these are resolved, email support@workinglive.us to get a new activation link emailed to you and follow the steps we've shown you to activate the account. Should you need further help, please contact Working Live by clicking on the Contact Support link on the 4life.workinglive.us website and enter your name, email address, and a message explaining your issue. This message alerts Working Live to your issue and they will contact you within 1 business day. Now let's do a quick review of the primary benefits you will get with Working Live in the subscription. Reliability and privacy of Zoom video conferencing. Meetings and webinars with up to 500 people. No time limits. Broadcast to Facebook Live. Calendly digital appointment and scheduling app. And all this for only $12.99 in a monthly subscription. We hope you will enjoy all the benefits of this new 4Life collaboration with Working Live, including a great value with substantial savings over regular pricing. We wish you lots of success in using these new tools to grow your 4Life business. Thank you.